Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ford Escape's oil change light. This indicator is a crucial reminder for routine maintenance, ensuring your engine runs smoothly. Resetting it after an oil change is essential for the intelligent Oil Life Monitor system to accurately track your oil's condition. We will cover two common methods, helping you keep your vehicle's maintenance schedule precise and your engine healthy for many miles to come. Let's get started with the first method. For many Ford Escape models, you can reset the oil light using your steering wheel controls. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, use the arrow buttons on your steering wheel to scroll through the display until you find the settings menu. From there, select Vehicle, then navigate to Oil Life. Finally, press and hold the OK button for about 5 seconds until the display confirms the reset is successful. Another common method for resetting the oil change light involves using the pedals. Begin by turning your ignition to the on position, ensuring the engine remains off. Now, fully press both the accelerator and brake pedals down at the same time. Continue to hold them for about 20 to 25 seconds. You should see a message like Service, Oil Reset in Prague, followed by Service, Oil Reset Complete on your dashboard display. Once complete, release both pedals. Remember, it is crucial to only reset your Oil Life Monitor after you have performed an actual oil change. This ensures the system accurately tracks your maintenance schedule. While these methods are common, always refer to your Ford Escape's owner's manual for the most precise instructions for your specific vehicle. The intelligent Oil Life Monitor system is designed to help you maintain your engine's health, so keeping it accurate is key to long-term vehicle performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.